Most survey apps waste your time and pay little or nothing at the end of your activities, but I tested 3 good survey apps to see which one pays real money. And in this video I'll be sharing with you 3 apps that as a beginner you can start with this app and get your side income comfortably. In fact, this app will help you set off some bills. Okay, I have tested them and they are working. Okay, if you are out there and you're looking to start out your survey journey, or you've been on this journey for a while and you're kind of frustrated, you don't know which particular survey app to pay attention to, in this video I'll be giving you 3 apps that you should focus on as a beginner, and you will definitely make some money at the end of the day. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money through paid survey. If this is something you're interested in learning, why not go ahead and subscribe to this channel, drop me your comments, click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my content when I upload them, and lastly, do not forget to share so that other people can get this amazing information. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of this video. The first app on my list is none other than Pureprofile survey app. This particular app is very beginner friendly, and as a beginner, Pureprofile is going to help you make good amount of money. You know, if like when I was starting in, I had to buy a course, buy my proxy, spend money on data, you know. So at the end of the month, at the end of my first month, I was hoping that at least I could be able to, you know, recover all the money I invested in gaining the knowledge of survey, of paid survey. Okay, because I was doing survey before I had to invest in knowledge to get it. So I was hoping to get all the money I invested in knowledge on survey and get a little profit from it. And luckily for me, I got to know about Pureprofile app. This particular survey site is very good for beginner, and when I'm telling you that this app is good for beginner, I am not even capping, and I am not exaggerating. If you have a good Pureprofile app on your phone, okay, a good Pureprofile account that is healthy, in a month, this is not even exaggerating, in a month you'll be able to make up to $200. okay $200. And before you say, oh, I am exaggerating it, let me show you something. If you take a look at this, what I'm showing you on the screen right now, you will see that this person in January, he has made $250, and this screenshot was taken in 3rd week of January. See that in January this person has made $250 as at the 3rd week of January. In 1 month, $250 from Pureprofile, not all the other sites this person is doing. So if you are a beginner and you want to focus on just one site, I will recommend you to focus on Pureprofile sites. For survey to be able to pay you this amount of money, there are some things that you need to know. Like, you don't just wake up, see somebody's post about survey. Maybe you saw somebody posted, oh, I made $250 in January on this particular survey site, and you that don't know anything about survey, you just saw the post and you are inspired, you want to make money, you want to quickly rush and go and make money. It doesn't work like that. You have to know, how do I put it now, you have to gain some knowledge about survey. It is not enough, because I see a lot of people saying, oh, what is the site, what is the link, what is this one, how do I do it? You have to gain some knowledge about survey for you to successfully make survey and make money off of it. Do you understand me? So for you to earn this huge on any survey site, it means that you have mastered, like you have understood how this particular platform works, or you have understand some kind of things about survey for it to favor you. It is not something that you just wake up into, like you see other people doing it, you just register, or like you see people creating YouTube accounts, you just create it and you want to start making money. No, there are some things that you need to do for any particular survey site to be paying you, or for you to be cashing out from any survey site. Knowledge is your power in anything you want to do. Make sure you gain knowledge. before you venture into survey. If you want survey to favor you, if you want to be successful in your survey journey, make sure you're learning new things, and don't even be rigid. Be willing to spend money to gain knowledge, because at the end of the day, the survey you're taking is going to pay you back. Do you understand? So make sure you learn. Any site you want to go into, make sure you learn, and try your best to even get a survey coach, somebody that can coach you, maybe your friends or your family or anybody you meet online that might be willing to teach you. Make sure you get a coach that will teach you. It will help you that way. Imagine not knowing anything about survey and you're doing it all alone. You will definitely be getting screened out every time, and when you're getting too much of screen out, it will definitely frustrate you and make you feel that survey is a scam, or people that are testifying, sharing their testimony are not real. They are faking it to create content. There was this particular guy. Every time on my page, he will tell me that, oh, NiceSurvey does not pay, NiceSurvey is screen out, NiceSurvey do this. Of course, not only him, but his own was very, very significant. To a point, I had to warn him not to be dropping those kind of comments, because this particular survey site that you're saying is not paying. I have cashed out close to $100 from this same site that is not paying you. What does it tell you? It tells you that I know something that you don't know, and you need to go and get knowledge, so that as it's paying me, it can also pay you. Because me that I'm making money from it, I don't have two heads. This brings me to my second site, which is none other than Branded Survey. You know, Branded Survey is a very good survey platform that can put food on your table or take off some stress out of your shoulders. Yes, Branded Survey can, you know, offset some bills for you. Let me put it that way. Branded Survey can give you that extra income that you're struggling to get, you know. But like I said previously, you don't just rush into it. I see a lot of people that are saying, oh, Branded Survey, you must have ID, you must have do facial verification and all of those things for you to cash out from Branded Survey. The people in my team are cashing out on Branded every single day, and none of us are using facial recognition or whatever. The only thing is, if you get your strong proxy or VPN, you are good to go. That is why I said that survey is not something that you rush into. It's not something that you just say, give me the link. In fact, the more you are doing that, the more you are blocking the road for other people, because as you are doing that, they know that some people, unauthorized people are gaining access to the site, and they are making their security system very stronger. So if you see somebody say, oh, I cash out $100, I cash out £50 from a survey site, try to find out what is this person doing that is helping him successfully cash out. You know, there was a time that I was doing survey. I don't have any knowledge of anything. I don't know how survey is done. I don't know anything. I just heard that. I just see people on Facebook posting that, and on YouTube posting that if you answer survey questions, you get paid. And I tried to do it, and I was frustrated at that point. I was frustrated without knowledge. I would answer a question, I would get screened out. I got screened out. Oh, in fact, my Nigerian account, I've not been able to make up to $1 from my Nigerian account. So if you want to successfully do Branded Survey is not, in fact, as a beginner, you can do Branded Survey if you have the knowledge. That is why starting out your survey journey, you don't just start answering survey questions. You have to, like, I took 2 weeks to study my course, to study these courses on the subject of my survey course, before I even went ahead to create templates, buy bought proxy, and started taking survey. Okay, and before I even started Branded, I have done Pureprofile for close to 1 month before I did Branded, and I cashed out, I think, 5 times before that account had issues because of some network issues, or maybe technical glitch from their end, you know, and they asked for ID. Okay, so Branded Survey, imagine making £5 on a daily basis. As somebody as an African, you're making £5 every day. Let me tell you one secret. People abroad, they don't usually do this survey. You know, I told my brother in UK, United Kingdom, about survey, and he said the money they pay is too small. It cannot pay their bills there. Do you understand? So we have the opportunity to do this thing. So you that you have this knowledge, this information is coming to you, take it very seriously and don't joke with it. Don't mess your account up. The third survey app that you should give a try as a beginner or somebody that has been in the game, okay, you want to have 3 apps to focus on. The third one on my list is NiceSurvey. Okay, I am saying NiceSurvey, not that NiceSurvey pays much like every other survey, but NiceSurvey has been consistent for me. NiceSurvey has been consistently paying me. Like every single week I cash out, sometimes multiple times in a week I cash out from NiceSurvey. So as a beginner, if you have done everything I ask you to do, get knowledge, learn about survey, get all the equipment, all the necessary things you need to successfully take survey. If you have done all of those things, then try NiceSurvey. NiceSurvey is the third app for me. Okay, that's the third app on my list. I don't want to say much about NiceSurvey, okay, but it's a good one. It's a good one. I know that NiceSurvey sometimes can screen you out. The screen out is massive, okay, but it is working for me. It is not just me, it is working for some other people. So if you've done everything I've asked you to do, then you can try this survey app. The first one is Pureprofile. Yes, Pureprofile is my number 1 survey site. Then my number 2 survey site is Branded Survey. Branded Survey is, in fact, Branded Survey is a very good site. And on my number 3 on the list is NiceSurvey. These 3 apps, as a beginner, if you have a strong, good account on these 3 sites, I'm telling you, as a beginner, you'll be cashing out on a steady. So these are the 3 apps that I would recommend for anybody to start with or focus on in 2026. So tell me, which of these 3 apps are you working on? Now, there are other survey sites I am working on, not just 3. I just mentioned these 3 for you to pay attention to. There are Octopus, there are Hey Piggy, there are what is it called now? There's Toluna there, Toluna influencers, there's Life Points. There are so many surveys. In fact, there are abundance of surveys. There's a particular video I made, and on that video there are over 30 survey sites I listed. Okay, that video is titled avoid screen outs. Okay, something like that. I'll put it on the screen so that you can see it. Over 30 survey apps. There are several of them. Okay, don't get confused. I just listed 3 survey apps that you should pay attention to. So tell me, which of the survey sites are you working on, and which particular one is really stressing you out? Tell me about them in the comment section so that we can put our heads together and see how we can win together. There's a secret I want to tell you. See, don't tell anybody. Survey sites, do not upload any survey app. Okay, in this community we've not gotten to the level of uploading survey apps. So do your survey from the sites. Once you get the link of the survey site, go and do all your survey from the site. Avoid survey apps. Okay, unless you are champion, like you are a pro, you know how to maneuver. Okay, then you can go ahead. But for a beginner, the people I'm talking to, the people in my level, we don't do survey from survey apps. So okay, I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching, and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next video.